Well, here we are at Blizzard Meadows. This is one of my apiaries last year I lost 6 hives at because of the Arctic conditions we had. So I was struggling last year, only had 1 hive up here. But it's good. You can see it's beautiful. Beautiful up here too. Well, let's see if this one's still alive. I think it is. It should be. Disconnect the battery to the fence charger. Get down with the fence. And just get down with the fence. Let's see if we can hear anything. Oh, I don't even have to give him a knock. I can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it or not. But these guys are alive. You can see some dead bees at the entrance, but they got up top going good. So no snow. Here we are. Everything